Hello, my name is Jan Dwi Arianto. I would like to expand about oil plant TBS transport train technology. Oil plant is one of leading plantation communities in Indonesia. The plant was main product consists of palm oil (CPO) and palm core oil (KPO) has a high economic value, and this one the large forest extent contribution compared to plantation commodity. But the really on the ground is still many obstacles owned by palm oil farmers in the process of handling palm oil production. One of which the system of harvesting of fresh fruit from the fruit to the palm oil factory. There are the two factors that affect process of transportation TBS, mainly the organization of harvest, the shape of the route in plantation, route condition maintain, types of transport equipment, the condition of transportation equipment, and the operation of transportation equipment. If this transportation process can run smoothly, then the benefit that can be obtained include maintaining ILB, daily production to until 3%. Effective the smoothly or capacity of the plant processing, supporting the safety of TBS in the field and saving transportation costs to a minimum. Harvesting activity, very important activity in palm oil production process. Harvesting activity condition in cutting, collection, and transporting fresh fried buns delay in transportation will affect the process and plant capacity. In the processing process in the lab become the fruit to be processed does not meet in income, then the quality of oil products in palm oil process. Very important will also complex content of oil extraction, and the moisture content in fruit will decrease and keep fatty acid content free and fruit production by 2 until 3%. The development of TBS transport equipment in oil palm plantation increasing rapidly. Some palm oil production countries have been able to develop TBS transportation to a medical basis in the become there often some problem in the process of transportation TBS manually, which takes a lot of time and comes labor burden in addition climate conditions that can change at my time can hamper the process of transportation TBS. Road condition that must be passed by transport equipment that is not all smooth because the route in plantation is usually muddy and damage will of course hamper the process transportation TBS to factory. The importance of timely transportation of TBS but to TPH and factory make various oil plant plantation use various equipment that is conditioned the most effective in according with of state of diet. One, the interest of TBS transportation in use palm oil trades. And is mean of transportation that can be used in our climate and has strong power. So that use of trains can be one the opponent in the rapid transportation of TBS to the factory. Oil palm trains have their own route or commonly equally rail to so they will not be hampered to fault or muddy roads. By using oil palm trains is also more effective in the of cost and time. Long carriages are able to transport TBS in larger numbers in one trip. The use of palm trains also saves expense. for labor wage and transportation costs such as truck. Another aspect of the use of oil palm strands for in the garden due to long in the garden. Of course, this will hurt and reduce production. In the process of making the picking, these oil palm strands recommend a large cost in building supporting infrastructure such as railways and bridges. But if calculate in the future, then the cost such as will be cheaper and more efficient than using another different such as truck that require more cost and labor. In application, in oil plantation also pay attention to load condition and topographical condition so that these palm oil trains can function optimally. However, not all land can be applied to use these palm oil trains, such as wetland are not suitable to use the palm oil trains because it will develop include the rails used to cross by very well charged and gas and land condition. So it will not maximally the performance of palm oil trains. Only the dominant flat and dry lands support this application. Thank you.